Hi kids, let's play with farm animals. This is a rabbit. Where is its place? Yep, that's the one. Oops, hey, what's going on? Okay, let's put these together first. There you go. It's a chicken. Should I put it here? Yep. Now what is this animal? It's a goat. Where is its place? Here. And who's this? It's a goose. Should I put it in this spot? Nope. That's the one. Wow, it's a cow. Let's see where to put it. Perfect. This is a sheep. And its place in our puzzle is right here. Whoa, did you see that, friends? I think I know this animal. Do you? Of course! It's a horse! And this is where we put it. Here's our last animal for today. A pig. Well done, kids! All the farm animals are in place.